What is going on, guys, and welcome back to today's episode. So today we're going to be putting the interior back in this tracker. Let's get it. So what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to put the interior back in, but first, before we can even do that, we have to clean it up. So let's whip out our super clean and get this interior super cleaned. I'm still a little sore from the workout yesterday, but just bear with me. Okay, I can't do that. Nope, no way bending down. But anyway, we're going to remove this cover and start cleaning up the seats. We want to make sure it's nice and clean so we can feel comfortable when sitting in our interior. So let's get at it. So first we're going to remove, okay, no wonder the seat cover was on this. There's cigarette burns in the seat. Oh, the seat's falling apart here. Whatever, let's just clean it up and we'll just, look at that. It's terrible. Cigarette burns, everything. So we'll just work on cleaning it up with the super clean. Someone must have farted so hard that this hole just burnt straight through. Alrighty, guys, so guess what? We finally got the driver's seat in. It looks fantastic. It's finally in. We are going to work on putting in the passenger side. We're going to start putting in the little trims. We're going to start doing a whole bunch of stuff to get this interior looking like a car again, or a little mini truck thing again. I'm going to mock up the back seat. I want to see how it looks. Maybe I should have put the back seat in first. That might have been the smarter idea. So maybe I'll work on the back seat first, and then we'll put in the passenger side seat. That way I don't have to deal with moving in on tight spaces. So let us get the back seat in first, and then we'll work on the passenger side. We finally got the front seat in. We got the back seat in. But during the installation of the back seat, I just realized that I was supposed to put the side plastic pieces in, and I forgot to do that. So now we got to remove the back seat, install those pieces, and then put the back seat back on. Alrighty, so here we are. We're gonna try to clean this up before we install it back into the vehicle. So I'm gonna spray it down with some super clean, wipe it down. You know the whole gist of it. Just clean it up, put it back in, and then we'll figure out what we're doing next with this tracker. Alrighty, guys, so we are back, and here is what we have finished. So we're gonna turn this, let me get this to be loose so it can turn smooth for y'all. Here we go. So we got the back seat in, the driver's seat in. Now all that's left is to put in our passenger seat, which is right there. It's hard to point when you're not seeing what you're doing. Right over there, that's where the passenger seat is. So that's gonna go into this geo tracker right now as we speak, and yeah, come look at it. All right, let's get this. Oh my god. Oh, okay, that wasn't nice. Okay, hit everything, why don't you? Oh man, price. Oh yeah. Scrape that. Definitely scrape that. Let's put the passenger seat in, get this all buckled up, and that way we can finally, well, when it's not raining, we can go take this out on a road test. But maybe I should also get this registered so I can drive it around a little bit and put a license plate on it, because the sucky thing that would happen is I get pulled over driving around my community with no plate, and they take it away from me. So we should get all this situated before we go on the road test. But anyway, let us just put this in right now. Oh, you can hear the bats. Okay, all right, lift with your legs, Ryan. Lift with your legs. Oh, yeah, that's fine. That's fine if you damage the dash. It's cool. Okay. Where's the hole? Okay. You know what? Let me cut some of this floor out so that way I can get this in. You know, this project was really interesting working on this. A lot that I learned. First off, I don't understand how people get their vehicles to this point of neglect. That is something that I just will never, ever, ever, ever understand in my life. All you got to do is just really clean your vehicle. That's it. I mean, you don't even have to give it a professional detailed clean. Just keep it clean. That's all. Just do some form of cleaning and it'll stay good. But there are gross people in this world, so yeah, whatever. He'll fix himself. Somehow, some way, he'll fix himself. Get this sucker in there. Get that. There you go. That pegs in. And well, let's get him up in there. Woo! This is bad for the back. Bad for the back for sure. My back is tight now. Oh, that's what happens when you get old. You're getting old, Ryan. You're getting old. You know something crazy? You getting old, son. I'm getting old. Been on YouTube for about almost 6 years, I think. And watching some of my old videos, you can see a huge change in me, but damn, I'm getting old quick. Here we go, guys. The interior is finally put together. Now, there are some little stuff here and there that has to be put in, such as the little runners and stuff. Those are currently in the back of the Avalanche, and right now, as you can see, it is pouring outside, so I don't want to get wet. So we're gonna wait till tomorrow to do that. And by the runners, I mean those little, you know, foot plastic thing. I can't think of the name of it right now on the top of my head, so foot plastic thing is what we're gonna go with as of right now. But here it is. Passenger seats in, driver seats in, rear seats in. It feels good. I mean, the floor mats could have been done a little bit better, but beggars can't be choosers. So what's next in the build? We are going to work on repairing the door handle because I got to source one out. So I might hit the junkyard tomorrow. We also got to work on the multi-function switch. I think I can repair that. I think we don't even need to buy one. We can just repair it. So I got to take apart that column. We might have to get something for the shifter. Not 100% sure yet, but I'm going to look into it and see what happens. Then I guess all that's really left is to clean up the engine bay, give the vehicle a clean down, a really good wash, and try not to get any water in the back with the pressure washer. So I guess we'll only wash the front half and then wash the underneath and go from there. If I can source out a cheap top, awesome. If I can't, we're going to have to figure something out. But with that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick episode. I don't even know how quick it's going to be because I have clips from multiple days, but I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, please make sure that you leave a like in this video because that helps with the YouTube algorithm. I can't even speak. Also, leave your comments in the comment section below. I love to hear from you guys. You know I answer each and every one of y'all. So leave your comments in the comment section below. And subscribe if you are not a subscriber to this channel, guys. I make videos every single day, so don't miss out. All right, I'll see y'all for the next one. Peace.